Field dressing deer by Jody 101.
I pull up and I grab the skin and I make a small hole. And I get my finger in there. Once I get my finger inside, I use that as a guide. Go down to the testicle area.
Gotta be careful with all that stuff in there, I know.
Okay. Now, because that's where the sternum is, so we're going to cape him from there.
Okay.
We're going to go back, take the guts out from this little hole. So as he falls out, there's not a whole lot that holds these guts into the deer. It's easier to see as I cut the diaphragm. Okay. And then I flip them over. Cut the diaphragm on the other side.
Okay.
Okay. And now, what I want to do is I want to reach up as far as up into the chest cavity. Normally I would split the chest. In this case, I want to grab the esophagus, which is about the size of a garden hose with ridges. I'm going to use my hand as a guide. I'm going to cut it. I'm going to pull him right out.
Okay, so the esophagus is the only thing really holding this.
That's it.
Okay.
You just got to kind of feel around.
Ridges.
Yep.
It has ridges.
Size of a garden hose. Cut that. Okay.
Is that it?
That's it. Okay, now he's got a tendon that's holding his guts in right here.
Okay.
We cut that. Okay. Now the only thing that's holding his guts in right now is basically his anus. So we're gonna show you how to do that.
Oh, that's when that hunter specialist has that butt out thing. I've never seen.
Okay, so I pick up the skin and I cut around it. Okay, I'm going to try to take the pelvic opening. I'm going to slide my knife in a circle around the pelvic opening and I pull the skin that I just cut in a circle. Be careful not to cut that rectum. But
like a surgeon.
okay, basically that is loose.
Okay.
Now we got to deal with a little bit with the testicles here, but again, that's no big deal. I reach up inside, basically as far up into the pelvis as I can reach. Kind of get things loose. You could feel it.
Reaching for the anus. I mean the intestines. I mean, and the anus.
Okay, that's it right there.
That's it. Okay.
And now,
that's it.
that's it.
Oh my God. Okay.
Not a big mess.
And it's been 4 minutes and 5 seconds to this point right here. Believe it or not. And my big old buck
there he is.
is field dressed, all cleaned out. That's awesome. And always bring water to rinse your hands off. Thank you, Jody. Awesome. Now maybe we can lift him in the truck.